What if I told you that financial planning is more than just a report that you get from a meeting with your financial advisor? Now, today, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to planning. From single-page strategies to exhaustive manuals, every advisor has a different definition of a financial plan. But at Franklin Madison Advisors, we stand apart. We don't just hand over a plan, we guide you through your challenges until you have a firm grasp of your chaos. We ensure that every brick of your financial house is in order, so you don't just dream, you live your legacy. Now, our journey with you covers over 40 planning topics, from cash flows to taxes and insurance to planning for that dream vacation or retirement. And in our initial intensive sessions, be prepared because we dive deep. But all the work is worth it because what emerges is not just a plan, but a vision. Clear, actionable, and designed for you. Yet that's just the beginning. You see, in the first few weeks, we lay the foundation, and together, in the months ahead, we build upon it. At Franklin Madison Advisors, you don't just get a financial plan, you become the master of your financial independence journey.